Hi guys, good morning to, good afternoon pala. Good afternoon, Dubai. Good afternoon, Philippines. Time check tayo is 1 o'clock. So sana makaabot tayo sa inquiry ni Boss Jack. So Boss Jack from Pojera, once again, meron po siyang inquiry ngayon, yung fishing, yung mga gamit sa pangingisda. So pupuntaan po natin ngayon guys. So stay tuned lang po. At sana napanood nyo yung aking live kanina sa aking Mekos Mekos. So see you guys. So guys, andito po tayo ngayon sa fishing area. Yung mga ano dito po sa ABF 05. So yan guys, yan po yung kanilang mga fishing. Hi bro. It's okay.
No.
I'm just checking regarding for some of the still, because my friend wants to see where is the location, because from Pojera.
Okay.
So this one is from ABF. So I'm just talking about Jack. Jack, I just talking to one salesman here. So this is the location, ABF 08. So all items from here, if you will see. Yeah, ito po sir, Jack.
Offer.
What is this offer
Yeah, 50 with real.
with complete
Complete.
Oh, so sir Jack, ito po offer po siya 50 dirham. So how many days or like
This one
as
have
long as finish
10 days,
continuous?
15 days have.
Okay. So Sir Jack, ayan po yung mga ano nila. So dito po yung mga pampain, pang malalaking isda or whatever. So Sir Jack, you just go to ABF 03. So ito, main entrance po. You may direct to come to main entrance. Yeah.
Never have this one.
So I will take it.
Business card, that one.
I will send you this one, Sir Jack. I will send you this business card for you, and then you may contact to this guy. Your number is already here? Or?
Yeah.
Yeah. So by the name of Mr. The sales team. Okay. So this one is direct answer for you. Okay. So ito yan. Yeah. So meron pa sila mga boat, mga anong tawag nito? Tagboat ba tawag yan? Rubber boat, yun. So, ito po, ABF 07, 08, 09. So, one shop lang po siya. And meron pa po doon sa may I section kasi malayo na yun. So, Sir Jack, thank you very much for your inquiry. So, dito lang po yan makikita sa IBF main entrance. Okay? Bro, thank you. I will send this one to my... So, sana nakatulong ako sa iyo, Sir Jack. So, andito po yung bilihan ng mga fishing rod, mga equipments. Okay? So, peace to the world. Peace, matwa. Shout out to everyone. Thank you very much.